Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is perplexing. It is pronounced perplexing, and it is spelt P-E-R-P-L-E-X-I-N-G. Think per, plex, and then ing. Perplexing means causing confusion, difficult to understand or solve. It's a great word to use when you want to talk about something baffling or mysterious. For example, you could say, the perplexing maths problem stumped a class. Or you could say, he found the instructions perplexing and couldn't follow them. The word perplexing comes from the Latin word perplexus, which means entangled. It was originally used to describe something that was difficult to understand or solve, or tangled up in a way. See the connection? Have you read the book or seen the film Alice in Wonderland? In this perplexing tale, young Alice falls down a rabbit hole and ends up in a crazy land filled with strange and nonsensical situations. It's all very perplexing. Synonyms for perplexing include baffling, mysterious, bewildering, and confusing. Antonyms for perplexing are clear, simple, straightforward, and easy to understand. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, perplexing. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.